Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup, where we talk about all things beauty related. We have unboxing videos and we have lots of makeup hauls. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can know every time I upload a video. And if you like this video that I posted today, you like this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know to post more videos like this. So without further ado, let's get into my Ipsy unboxing that I got in the mail today. I know all of you are most likely in quarantine and there's not that much we can do. So the most exciting thing that I think in my day is the mail, because I know I get a lot of boxes that come in the mail from my subscription boxes. So I was very excited to get this in the mail today. And we are going to see what we got. So stay tuned. All right, so this is the bag that they gave us this month. This is like a lilac color, like a lavender lilac color, which I love. This was the one that they gave us in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I didn't like this color as much, but I never use the bags anyway, so it's not like it really mattered to me. But this is the bag, and it has like the little Ipsy logo on the bottom of the bag. See, it says Ipsy right at the bottom, right there. All right, so let's see what I got. So this subscription is, I want to say $12. I know they used to be $10. I have so many subscription boxes, I don't even remember the prices of what I'm paying anymore. I lost track, but I want to say this is like $12 and it's normally like a $50 value. So every single month they give you a card inside your bag. This was the same card that they, oh, I got my lipstick on the card. Every single month they give you a card that tells you about like what's in your bag or box. So this was for this bag. So it was the same one as the last one that I got from an Ipsy Glam bag. Plus it's called Ipsy Full Bloom, that it says in the middle. I mean in the corner. And then it tells you like all of the items you got in your bag. So it's normally 5 items that value up to at least $50. Before I did this video, I went ahead and cleaned everything. So I sanitized my bag, I sanitized everything in there, I sanitized the packaging, I sanitized everything just because, you know, I am a germophobic and, you know, with everything that's going on, you can never be too clean. I'm sure a lot of people touch these products in shipping and on the way to my home. So to be on the safe side, I Lysoled everything, I cleaned everything with sanitary wipes. I did both, a double cleaning just to be on the safe side. And now that I know everything is sanitized and clean, now I can use everything. Which I did. Everything that I have on today, for the most part, is from this bag. So, let's see what I got. Okay. So, the first thing I got was this brush. And it's already used because, like I said, I did sanitize everything. After everything was sanitized, I did use it a couple of hours later. So this was the first thing. It was like a little brush from Luxie. It's a 209 large shader brush. It's a 209 brush. Let me see. There you go. And as you can see, I did use it to, you know, put on a little bit of eyeshadow. The Luxie brand is through Ipsy, so I guess it makes sense for them to use their brushes. So 9 times out of 10, we do get brushes from their company, but I'm not complaining. I don't know if you guys saw my Amazon haul video that I think that's my last video. No, my second to last video that I posted. You guys can see the containers that I got from Amazon to hold my brushes, and I have 3 full huge things of brushes that I got from Amazon. So I love brushes. So anytime I get a brush from a subscription box, it makes my day because brushes make me very happy. I know it's the small things in life, right? So that was the first thing that I got. This brush retails for $12. So right off the bat, this paid for my bag because it's just $12. All right, the bags, I don't think ever have a value. They just, you know, hold the things in the bag. But in my suggestion, I think that they should make bags a little bit bigger, just because like 9 times out of 10 people who do subscription boxes, they actually like makeup, they're makeup junkies, such as myself. So these small, tiny little bags, like they fit like 3 things in there. Like the normal consumer carries a lot more makeup than this, and it's just not practical to have a small bag like this. So Ipsy suggest like the bags that they do in the Ultimate is like the bags that they should give, because that's the only bags that people normally use anyway. Well, I'm just speaking for myself, but I'm sure most girls can relate to that. All right, so on to the next item in my bag. Let's go with this one. So this is called the, let's see, Orza Beauty. Orza Beauty. I don't know if I'm saying this name correctly. I did graduate college. I do have a college degree, but spelling is not my forte. So sometimes forgive me if I say the names wrong. This is an indie brand, so I've never heard of it before. So that's why I may be saying the name wrong, because obviously I never heard of this brand before. However, I do like this product. I have the eyeshadow on my eyes today, and I will say it's very pigmented. It's tiny. It didn't come with the mirror. This is what it looks like. There's no mirror for this. I like the size. It's very small. Like you can fit it in your pocket. This can go in your pocketbook. Most eyeshadow palettes are very big, and I love that. Like if you want to like touch up with your finger somewhere, it's nice and small and compact. And the product was very pigmented. On the cover, it says nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow. So I have this color on the top in my crease for the transition shade. Then I have the bronze color on my lid, and then it didn't have a black, but I threw a little black in my crease because I was here for a little drama, so I just used, you know, just a regular staple black from one of my eyeshadow palettes in my crease. So that's my second thing that I got. It says full size retails for $19.95, but it says this is travel size. So the full size of this would be $19.95. So far 2 for 2. Love, love, love this, and you can use this and this together. All right, so number 3. So this is the eyeliner that they gave us. It's called Arceli. I don't know. These indie brands is killing me, man. Can't they just make the names nice and simple? They just want to, like, you know, I can't. But this is a black eyeliner. It's very smooth. It goes on nice and creamy. I do have it in my waterline today. And it goes on nice. It just glides right on. Look how nice and dark this is. It literally glides right on. So that's that. Very pigmented. There's no tugging. This, I want to say, reminds me of the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner pencil. I feel like I've tried a lot of pencils because obviously, like, in my profession, I'm dealing with a lot of different makeup brands, and I get gratis from a lot of different makeup brands. So I honestly can say that I've tried a lot of eyeliners, and my favorite thus far is still the Urban Decay 24/7, the Perversion. They have one called Zero, but that I feel like that quality is a little different than the Perversion one, the black called Perversion. It's very like creamy, it goes on, it doesn't smudge. This is just like that, and this is $16, so it's cheaper. So I would actually buy this again. I have to figure out where, because I've never seen, like I said, I've never seen this before. On the pencil, it says Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner. So I think this is like a Spanish indie brand, because obviously Ojos means eyes in Spanish. So I would be purchasing this again. So I have to inquire in this and see where this is sold at, because I do like this. So 3 for 3. 3 for 3 so far. All right, let's see what else I got. All right, so the next thing I got is a Tony Moly Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. It looks like so. I actually do like this. I like, let me clarify. I like Tony Moly products, but in all honesty, I did not try this as of yet. So I don't know, you know, how it works, but I did open this. It came with a silver seal. It is a clear consistency, looks almost like water, and it's called Gel to Water. So And you can see like you see how it's sliding down. It's very like liquidy. And then it's literally, when they said gel to water, they wasn't lying, because it's like literally like water on my skin. As you guys can see, it's like wet, just like water. So I'm gonna try this tonight and see how I like it. I normally like right now I use a Philosophy Purity Cleanser. It's like, it doesn't foam. I don't know if this one foams. I haven't tried it yet. It doesn't say if it foams, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna lather if it goes right into water. But we'll see. But I love Tony Moly. I use their masks. Their masks are great. I don't know if you ever use a Tony Moly mask. They sell them like in Ulta, Macy's. Very good mask. So I'm excited to try one of their cleansers now. This retails for, the full size retails for $13.50. This is a deluxe sample. Okay. And this is supposed to be for sensitive skin. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, my very last thing in the bag. This is the Ahava 24 Karat Gold Mineral Mud Mask. I did not even open this yet. So it has a seal on it. Sounds interesting though. 24 Karat Gold Mineral Mud Mask. Let's see. Ooh, wow. They wasn't joking when they said 24 karat gold. It's very like, let me see. It took me a while to take it off. So this is what it looks like. So it's like it looks like a gold. It says 24 karat gold. It looks goldy. It smells clean like soap or like a mask, but when you rub it into your skin, that's what it looks like. So it's like a gold. I like the smell of it. It smells nice. So this is obviously a sample size. It is, the full size of this is $58. Wow. So it says just lather onto your skin, let it set for 10 minutes, and wash off. Maybe I'll do this tonight before bed. I'll clean my face first with my cleanser, and then I'll use my mask. So that is it. That is it for everything in my bag today. Overall, I loved everything in my bag. I love masks. I love, trying new skincare, and I love trying new makeup. So overall, it was a win for me. These were my 5 items that I got. Boom, 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 boom. I loved it. This definitely made my day today, getting this Ipsy Glam bag. I'm looking forward to my other bags coming in. I'm supposed to be getting my 2 BoxyCharm tracking information for one of my boxes. And I don't know what's going on with Sephora Play. I still didn't get my last month's one, and I didn't get this month. So we'll see. Anyway, for all of you guys that have Sephora Play, I got something in the mail in my email today saying that they're no longer going to be having Sephora Play because they're going to be having like 3 different type of other programs. I guess it's going to be like kind of like subscription boxes, like how Ipsy has 3 different things you can get and Boxy has 3 different things you can do too. Sephora is going to be doing that now. So they said, I think they said next month, or was it this month? It's going to be my last package from them, and then I can subscribe to the new thing, which I'm going to wait and see what everybody else gets. And then if I like it, then I will subscribe to that. So, but stay tuned for those, and that's really about it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for all my troopers who stayed to the end and watched this video. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do show your fellow YouTuber some love. And if you want to know when I post new videos, all you got to do is click that notification bell, and they will send you an alert to your phone letting you know every time I post a new video. So, till the next one, I'll see you soon. Bye!